Welcome to my channel. If you are still facing slow download speed on your qBittorrent, BitTorrent or any other torrent software like this that I am currently facing, then this video is very helpful for you, because here we will change some setting to speed up our qBittorrent or BitTorrent downloading speed. So follow this step and also like this video to increase your downloading speed. First of all, you have go to location of your software that where you have installed it. Copy here from link. If you do not see your location where you have installed it, location finding, copy this link and then go to run and paste it and simple okay. Your location will be automatically find out this. So from here you have to delete all old setting that you have done before it. सबसे पहले आप इनको डिलीट करेंगे और डिलीट करने के बाद आपको मैं बताता हूँ कि नई सेटिंग आपने कौन सी अप्लाई करनी है. यू हैव टू डिलीट setting dot old and setting dot exe file. After deleting this file, we will apply next downloading setting to speed up our qBittorrent. So I have deleted all of these and then I have changed here for new downloading. This changes you may must have to change in your client side to speed up your downloading speed. So first of all, you have to check all of these. If these settings are same, then you do not have need to change it. Otherwise change it like this is as a random port or simple write this figure that I have mentioned in this video. आपने यहाँ पे इसको random के ऊपर क्लिक करना है and then you have to check all of this field and then apply OK. This setting is done. Now we have get to the next setting, bandwidth setting, and here you have to put this value. और यहाँ पर आप इस वैल्यू को अगेन फॉर ज़ीरो इज़ फॉर अनलिमिटेड, सो यू हैव टू एंटर ज़ीरो वैल्यू एंड हेयर यू हैव टू चेंज द ग्लोबल number of connection like this. This setting is very important because if you have changed it, you will see a significant change in your downloading speed. Apply and then OK. BitTorrent setting, there is no such setting that you have to change. This is also the default setting is very good. You have to change this setting for 2 and the second is for 200. 1, this was for 200 and then 0 and 0. Okay, so you have follow this step that I am currently showing in my this video tutorial. And here is the advanced setting, and here you have to change 2 to 3 field, this one up to 80, and then last one I will show you from here that you can change it to this value. You can see here up to 30,000, sorry. Okay, apply. Okay, my setting is done. After all of this setting you have done, you have to close all your open file of BitTorrent or qBittorrent or any other torrenting software. From here you have to end task all of this to apply these changes that I have made it. Apply, okay, refresh, and then we have opened it as a run as administrator. यहाँ से आप दोबारा इसको रन एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ओपन करेंगे और ओपन करने के बाद now we have to add some file to check our downloading speed, and as you can see the download speed is very increase and boost up to 35 kb to 1 kbps and almost 2 kbps. So this is again depend on your connection of internet. If it is speedy, then it will again boost and increase more than like this. So if you are looking more video for like this or technical issue, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.